Imagine the sun rising slowly above a sea of mist, turning the world into a golden dream. This is Mount Bromo, the pride of Indonesia, standing tall in the heart of East Java. Surrounded by vast sand plains and a smoking crater, the wind seems to whisper, "This beauty cannot be tamed." For the Tengger people, this mountain is sacred, a place where ancient spirits still dwell and traditions live on. Here, the sky, the earth, and the human spirit unite, creating a beauty you don't just see, but truly feel.